Okay, this is a fun part of taxidermy. Got this thing on about 115 psi, and so blow them out. Only thing better than a wild boar mount is two nice wild boar mounts. Blow them all out. Again, this will take 2, 3, 4, 5 days of fluffing. Bring these tackles up. Make them look as big and as mean as they really are. So take the brush and comb these hackles up. And same thing here. I really like this pedestal mount and this new keister. Quite a bit altering, but I feel it's very well worth it. So, alright, you can see how nice and fluffy that makes that hair. And this thing's still wet. Same thing as the other boar. It'll take a few days. Keep working on it. Keep fluffing it. Keep tuning the eyes in. Making sure your lip lines are good. And comb those guard hairs and fluff them out and blow them out and tune everything in, and be a beautiful wild boar mount when we're done here. So, alright. I'm going to turn this air compressor off. You get the idea. Just high pressure, 120 psi, just don't blow them out real nice. You can use a hair dryer. Another thing you can use, I'll show you here. Let me turn this thing off. Another thing you could use, this is actually a leaf blower, and you can use this. Plug this in, and for its size, it actually puts out quite a bit of air. So you can go and plug this thing in here and show you what this is like. It puts out quite a bit of, now there's no heat to this thing, but quite a bit of air here. For the size of it, it's pretty amazing actually. Great reviews on Amazon. Look at that. Really a leaf blower. Works great for fluffing them out like that. You have some lock on it, you can put that on there and blow out your bear, your wild boars, and blow everything out real nice there. So, alright, you get the gist of it. Alright, the goal is to get these things nice and fluffy and all bristled up, so they look very lifelike. Again, I'd like to thank you for joining us in the shop today. I'm Nick Glorioso, owner, Glorioso Wildlife Mounts Taxidermy, Granville, New York. Hope you have a hog wild time. We'll see you next time.